This text-to-video AI tool is free for commercial use, where every tool is not allowed this opportunity. This 3 text-to-video AI tool is more realistic, and you can use it for personal use and commercial use and monetize your channel or page. Most text-to-video AI tools are not free or have limitations for commercial use. It means you can't make content with this. And if you do, you never monetize your channel or page. So in this video, I will give 3 powerful text-to-video AI tools, and the last tool is free for personal and commercial use. So watch till end, and subscribe for more AI videos. The first tool is Morph AI. Open this website. Now join it with Discord. You can see this dashboard. Here you can see the prompt box. Type /video and click on it. Now give your prompt. For example, I give prompt here, a man and woman watching sunset in sea beach. Now let's see. You have to wait a little bit. You can see how realistic and perfect the video is. Let's create a vertical video. I give prompt here, a animated man and woman walking together at evening cloudy weather in street. And type -AR916. Let's see what it will create. Look how amazing and realistic the video we got. So use this tool. But the free tool I shared in the end, so wait a little bit more. The next tool is Hyper AI. Open this website. Now you can sign in with Discord or Google. So I signed in with Google. Now you can see this dashboard, where you can explore many features, like animate images, repaint video. Let's click on the Create Video with Text. Now you can get a prompt box, where you can give your video prompts. Let's see an example. A beautiful woman holding a cat in evening sunset at sea beach. Here you can choose your style. I select Ghibli style. Now select your aspect ratio. Let's create. Wow, just look how awesome and cinematic video it creates. I am really impressed. Let's see in another style. A man in overcoat walking in a street. This time I selected an old film style. Let's see what will happen. I think it really cool. Hope you like it. So you can like the video too. Let's dive into our most awaiting AI tool, which name is Pixverse, which is free to use. Go to this website. Now you can start with the web or Discord. I am starting with the web. Now log in with your Google account. You can see how many videos are of people made here. Look, these are really cool. Let's create our video. I give prompt here, a man walking in crowd in overcoat, red-black vibe, dark weather. Now I choose anime style, and you can give seed as your wish. Let's create. Look how amazing and aesthetic video we got. I hope you love it. So explore this tool and increase your creativity. And like and share the video, it will inspire me. And subscribe for more if you are wise enough to know AI technology.